Good, good. What's happening?
Oh yeah, good. Good. What's the surf like where you are?
Oh, it's complete crap. What's it been like for you?
Yeah, it's crap. Howling on shore, freezing cold. We need to get away somewhere.
Absolutely.
Well, can't decide whether to go to the Maldives or Indo, whether to do a boat trip or maybe land-based trip. What do you reckon?
I reckon we do the whole lot. So,
Maybe like Southern Atolls boat trip in the Maldives. That looks really cool. We haven't been there.
at Macca's, we've surfed Macca's, but we haven't stayed there. Yeah.
And then Tengirri, cruising around the Ments on the Tengirri for a couple of weeks. Be pretty hard to beat that.
Absolutely. That sounds like a plan. We should get it together.
Let's do it.
Yeah.
No worries, mate. We'll talk to you soon. We'll start rustling up the troops. Catch you, mate.
All right, mate. See ya.
So after 8 days exploring the southern atolls of the Maldives aboard the Mavahi, followed by a week surfing at Macaronis in the Mentawais, it was time to do a bit more exploring in the Ments, this time aboard the Tengirri for 2 weeks.
What happened, mate? Oh, a bit shallower than I thought.
Forget what we're told before we get too old. Show me a garden that's bursting into life. All that I am, all that I ever was, is here in your perfect eyes. They're all I can see. I don't know where, confused about how as well. Just know that these things will never change for us at all. If I lay here, if I just lay here, would you lie with me and just forget the world? Forget what we're told before we get too old. Show me a garden that's bursting into life. If I lay here, if I just lay here, would you lie with me and just forget the world?
Hanging out, having a time. 'Cause my rent's due at the end of the month. Getting hungry, banging a beat. Something greasy, gravy and beef. All I want and all I need, all I crave is a good pump feed. All I want and all I need, all I crave is a good pump feed. Boiled chips, tomato sauce. Can't get enough, I'm begging for more. 'Cause I came here at 5:45. And I ain't gonna leave till I get my fix. All I want and all I need, all I crave is a good pump feed. All I want and all I need, all I crave is a good pump feed.
If you catch me at the border, I got visas in my name. If you come around here, I'll make 'em all day. I get one down in a second if you wait. I fly like paper, get high like planes. If you catch me at the border, I got visas in my name. If you come around here, I'll make 'em all day. I get one down in a second if you wait. Sometimes I think sitting on trains. Every stop I get to, I'm clocking that game. Everyone's a winner, we're making our fame. Bonafide hustler, making my name. Sometimes I think sitting on trains. Every stop
Get him off the road. Get him off the road. There's a car coming. Okay? That's really good.
I don't know how to pick him up.